Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your investment portfolio with eTrade, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your eTrade account on their website or mobile app. Once logged in, review your current investment portfolio to understand its composition. Take note of your asset allocation across different categories like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consider your investment goals and time horizon. Identify any areas in your portfolio that may be over or underweighted. Use eTrade's research tools to analyze potential investments. Access the market research section to explore stock ratings and analyst reviews. Look for trending sectors that may offer growth opportunities. Set up alerts for stocks or ETFs that interest you to monitor their performance. Diversify your investments by including various asset classes and sectors. Utilize eTrade's ETFs and mutual funds to achieve broader market exposure. Evaluate the fees associated with any new investments to ensure they align with your budget. Consider dollar cost averaging to invest consistently over time, minimizing market impact. Regularly rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. Review your investments quarterly to assess performance and make necessary adjustments. Stay informed about market trends through eTrade's educational resources and webinars. Engage with financial analysts in eTrade's community for insights and strategies. Finally, make informed decisions based on your ongoing research and portfolio analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.